Using Reuzel products to create the Deluxe Beard Trim. Step 1. Clean the beard with Refresh and comb the beard into place. Step 2. Cut the beard. Step 3. Apply a hot towel. Step 4. Shave the throat and cheeks with Reuzel Shave Cream or Reuzel Beard Serum. Step 5. Apply Reuzel Astringent Foam to throat and cheeks. Step 6. Apply a cold towel to the throat and cheeks. Step 7. Apply Reuzel Beard Foam to the beard and comb it through. Step 8. If the beard is very coarse or frizzy, finish with Reuzel Beard Balm or Reuzel Beard Serum. Step 9. Finish with a splash of Reuzel aftershave.